So good morning, welcome back to Chasing Cars 71 YouTube channel. You join us very early on a Sunday morning in January. It can only mean one thing: wintry weather and a trip over to Bicester to the first scramble of 2025. We've had snow and ice overnight, so it seems completely appropriate that we make this treacherous journey in a Scooby. So that's us just arrived here at the site at Bicester. A spirited drive over in some challenging wintry conditions, but that's what we love on this channel, chasing cars. So we're here now at the site. Let's have a look round nice and early, see who's arriving. So in anticipation of the thaw and the flooding that will inevitably follow, this guy has come well prepared today. How's the heated seat working today?
No, they're not. These are Mazda MX-5.
Okay. let's have a quick look at the car park situation. Still people arriving. It's quite late in the morning, but there's still a lot of people turning up at Bicester. The weather hasn't put us hardy petrolheads off. Let's see now what's happening in the car park. It's always good to give advice from the touchline, isn't it? Complete chaos there in the car park. Should be fun when people start to leave. Maybe we'll come back and have a look. Anyway, let's head back into the main site now. So good to see Steve Rockingham's bought out the Fiesta. Elvin Evans, Monte Carlo. Featured this car on the channel before. Always good to see a rally car out in snowy conditions. Fantastic. And a Gus Greensmith car as well. 2019 Monte Carlo. So that's it from Bicester. Hope you enjoyed the scramble. Some atrocious conditions, but it didn't put people off coming out in their cars in January, so hope you enjoyed the footage. If you're not subscribed to the channel, drop us a subscription and give us a thumbs up and a like. More content coming soon. Next scramble will be 21st of April, so get online, get your tickets. They do sell out these events at Bicester. So take care, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching Chasing Cars. We're leaving Bicester now, following Otmar in his GT Ford. Had a nice chat with him earlier. I bet he wishes he was in Sunshine State, Florida now.